Welcome. Thanks for joining us again. Hopefully, you've had an opportunity to watch our first SARTopo video, SARTopo 101, and gain a little better understanding of what SARTopo is, what it can do for you, and how to get around to some of the different features that you'll see on our SARTopo maps. Today, I'd like to discuss in detail what sectors are and how you can gain information out of them and how it might be able to help you in terms of training and on searches. So starting over here on our left-hand side in the folders section, we'll go over to sectors. You can see we have a series of pre-drawn sectors for all of our training locations. And we usually try to keep them around 25 to 20 acres. And that way you can kind of build a couple sectors together as you want to change or vary what your training strategy is. We also have included some other comments on here, say when we've noticed that there's some kind of hazard, such as broken glass. We like to make that aware, so in case someone's never worked in that sector before, they understand that there could be a potential issue with that sector. Moving into that, as you click on the individual sector, it will pop up on your screen and it will center that sector on your screen as well. So with it, it will show you in terms of metric and imperial measurements how large the sector is. And in my instance, because I'm the author of this map, it allows me to edit it or delete it. But it will also give you the opportunity to look at the profile, view terrain statistics, and print the map at a different scale. So we'll get into that here. So if you click on profile, what's that going to show you? So it's basically going to go the perimeter, show you the profile of the perimeter of that sector. So as you line up on this perimeter here, you'll be able to see on the map where that relates to. So you can see your high points and you can see your low points. And again, this should generally line up with what you're seeing in terms of the topography and the lines that indicate the contour lines. Moving on, here is terrain statistics. So this will generally tell you what the elevation is, the min, the average, and the max. It'll also give you an indication of what types of slopes, how steep the slopes are, give you an average, again, min, average, max. Your aspect in terms of orientation on the compass, and also describe tree coverage. Finally, it summarizes all that in terms of land coverage between forest developed and crops or field area. And again, these are approximations. They're not absolute numbers, but it should help inform your search strategy. Last option you have to go in here is to print map. And this will actually bring up a 1 to 12,000 map for you, whereas we typically search with a 1 to 24,000. So at this larger scale, it again should help for training purposes, help you understand the land features, and plan your search strategy around that. That's it for our SARTopo video on sectors. Looking forward to doing more videos with you and showing you some more features in the future. Thanks.